Hello, it's me again, and today I'm in County Durham on the eastern tip of the North Pennines, looking out over the, well, you can just about see in the distance the North York Moors. And guess what? Stock record, they're bad for the environment. They're totally and utterly the wrong colour, they're the wrong size and the wrong shape. I don't know how many videos I have to take to keep making that point, but there we go. I want to add something new though. I want to add a new thought I've had. Now, most people say, oh, but they don't pollute the air. Well, I've been thinking about it, and the fact is they do pollute the air. And this is what I mean. I used to be looking at thin air from this viewpoint. They've taken air. All that space that they take, that height, that width, and you know, if you include the blade movements, that kind of arc, that used to be thin, unpolluted air, as fresh as a mountain stream, if you like. They've taken air. They've literally filled what used to be air with material, with non-renewable material that ends up as landfill, as we found out this week. In fact, we already knew it, but there's video and photographic evidence. So basically, they do pollute the air. They pollute it in different ways. They take air. They take what should be an airy view that basically is just thin air, and they fill it with matter. More than that, they obviously have a vibration, a sound vibration, which is pretty damning evidence now shows that it'll travel miles and miles, and it will affect you. It affects me. You know, they're basically. I'm trying to find something new, and I think, you know, there's a lot of stuff that I've said again and again, and this video just demonstrates it. But I think the new thing is that they are actually air pollution. They take what should be thin air and they pollute it with this sort of horrible white paint and spinning. Is it fiberglass? The blades are made from. So yes, basically, wind turbines cause air pollution. Thank you very much.